In this WiserNotify review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about WiserNotify. WiserNotify is a software that allows you to deliver customizable social proof notifications to increase credibility and amp up your sales. So once you sign in, you will be taken here to this main page right here, as you can see. So naturally here, we have our account, opulent tools, and the usage we're using, our referral and earn button, our feature request, our rewards program, and everything you can see here. And those have their own sort of features that we'll go into eventually. But overall, we can see that we can add notifications and install a pixel as well. Now, there's quite a few things to get through, but we'll try and get through them fairly quickly. So, with install pixel, what this does now, whichever website you have, if you got the website you're trying to connect this WiserNotify to put the notifications upon, you have to connect it by copying this code into the head tag on every page of the website that you want to use this service for. So that's one thing to do. We haven't done that quite here, as we haven't created a whole website of our own to put this link into. But if you had that, that's the surefire way to do it. So we click notifications and we've been taken here to this page essentially. Now you can see right here, installing a pixel code would naturally take you there. Just to let you know, again, pixel has not been detected yet. So okay, now to go to add notification, essentially this is to control and create the notifications that are going to appear on the different websites or the singular website you may have. So you can see here we have all sorts of designs for the website with the different subheadings that they could go under. So let's say you want a notification displaying recent sales. You have this right here, display the sales, and you can see with all these designs you're given, you have them right here. John S. purchased t-shirt 2 days ago, yada yada, this person purchased this thing in this country essentially. So those sales, they'll be telling you who has purchased what, and that's the point of that notification. You can customize how it looks like here. Then you can also customize the sales count over here as well. As you can see, 100 buys purchased, again, just all through here. Numbers naturally will change as you go ahead with your business and your profile, but that's how you can select the designs you'll get for those eventually. So you then go to conversion as well. So you can see, again, it says here for you anyways, display recent booking, subscription, sign-ups, and free trials. You can see the design again. You see John S. signed up for free trial 2 days ago, and it's just showing you again who signed up for different things and the subscriptions going on. And you can see the conversion count here, likewise, as we could before. Then you have review. Again, this is pretty standard, again, it's exactly as it says. You can see who has reviewed what and what the reviews have been naturally. You see through here, e-commerce store offering wide range of t-shirts. So again, it's giving the stars, all the people giving their thoughts on your company or your product, what you're trying to sell for them. And essentially, it's your way to see it and how the users will see those reviews come up as well. You can choose the way the design of notification will look. It could look like this with this chat bubble, or like this with this block, or rectangular block, I should say. Social media again, if you have social media connected, again, it shows, you can display your feed from Twitter. And, again, John, great advice, but looking forward to his ad strategy. Likewise, like the other ones. And you can see, again, who has been following you on different social medias. Same thing with live again. So if you're currently live with your website, you can see how many visitors are with you right now. And then you can see recent page visits as well. So single visits from someone. Here we say a visit from the USA, New York visited. And you have videos as well. You have a YouTube video notification. You can choose the designs with these as well, with the views, the like count, and the comment count, and the channel subscriber count as well. And you can choose how it will all appear. Same with the limited stock as well, if you have limited stocks and a limited amount of viewers using it. Then, if your website was connected, again, this part won't take long to explain because we don't have the website connected, but you can see it will tell you all your information about how the website's performing last 24 hours, last 7 days, or 30 days, and even a custom date you can set up yourself as well. So again, you'll have a whole information about just statistics of just, how many times people have visited, if the visits are going up or if they're going down, and you'll see that on a nice graph. Go to your notification again. Again, once you sort out your notifications, you'll have them all here. And again, to add them, you go back to this, choose a notification, and you essentially add it to your site. Then, same thing with widgets as well. So you got a timer widget right here, just underneath. An announcement widget, you have a good range of options right here. Announcement, smiley, reminder, and then, collector widgets, call to actions. You can see a feed, lottery, and just other things, miscellaneous things like social media or blinking tabs. Then you go down to settings as well. And again, you can choose a domain to apply notification settings to, a loop or privacy pixel settings. This works when you add that pixel and connect your website to it as well. So you don't worry too much about that. Data here again, likewise when we saw the performance, you can see all the data of your different users here and on your website and your different products as well. So you search up a product name, search up anything. If that's a real product you're selling and advertising on your company, that'll show up there. You can see, who's connected to it, the first name, the last name, their purchase, the source, the data capture page, and the location, and the date, and what action they performed. And that action, like I said, would be the purchase here. But it'll be other things as well. If they visited, they watched the video, they like something, it will all be right there for you to see. You can select data type as well, who signed up, who purchased, who reviewed. So you can actually break down everything I just said into this section right here. And again, the custom base is always very useful. You just click and you apply. Again, you choose from there. So you have a block, a set amount of dates, and you click them and it's applied straight up. Now you have referral and earn as well. So you can apply for referral and earn credit as well if you want to get people to come in and you get credit added for you. Then go down here to integrations, and this is very interesting. Again, you can integrate different apps to join you on your WiserNotify and give you more features to utilize essentially to help you with your website. So you have all these apps right here. There are quite a lot of apps, and you will need to research what each integrated app can do for you. But they all do little things. This is emojis, give you little emojis right here. This can help you connect this to your Etsy store as well, and Eventbrite too. So again, little sites you might already know, you can connect them right through, even Amazon Connect as well. Again, platforms, you can break it down by platform websites, or break it down by marketing websites, or break it down by communication websites, or CRM, reviews, page builders, and likewise. So go to reports as well, and this is a much more holistic overview report of everything you've done with your website and your products, the visitors, the impressions, who closed, who's engaged, who clicked, who hovered. These are all really important things that WiserNotify can help you look at. Then again, you see visitors, same information with the visitors as well, just all the information about the visitors on your website, granted, what they've put into that account on their website. So you're not just looking at their information just randomly, it's what they've given within their account on the website they're using to find your product. And you've got goals as well. Any goals you may add yourself. You can add goals here. If you want to exceed a target or close a certain kind of deal, you'll see the goals there and see if you're closer to it or far from it. And video guides too. Again, if you're stuck on this website and you need any help, you need some guidance, you have video guides right here, and there are a lot of videos that can show you what you need to do and how to connect different things to your website. So here we have a WhatsApp chat, subscriber widget, a social media follow account. Again, all sorts of things that help you use the software to the best of your ability. And we go up here as well. And you can see the apps they have as well: social proof, social wall. You can explore this if you want to as well through WiserNotify. And you have a social wall here to connect all your different social medias if you want to. You can add a Facebook feed wall, Twitter feed wall, an all-in-one feed wall, or an Instagram. And likewise, reviews as well. The same applies for Google, Facebook, and Dorsal. And you can look at your own wall as well. Once you've added those, you can look at your own wall and it'll go to this. And you can see the visitors responding to your walls through there as well. Overall, WiserNotify is very useful to use. It's really detailed in the features it provides you, and it does give you a lot of available features to utilize, and you may need to just browse around to wrap your head around how everything works, but once you figure out, it's very useful and very effective for your business and your products. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I'll leave a discounted link so you can get your money's worth. Thank you for your time.